In this video, we're going to focus on the magnet method for the dragged values in the Chartjs Dragdata Plugin. And this is part 6. So far what we have is when we drag this here, you can see here it jumps nicely with an increment of 1 value or a decrement of 1. So magnet does exactly the same, but it allows us to do a bit more than that. So let's start to scroll down here and just start to add that one up, or add that in here. So we're going to say here in the round, I'm going to remove that, and then instead of that I'm going to say here now magnet colon. Then you have here curly braces for the comma down there, and then we're going to say a 2, so that will be the jump value. And then what I want to do is I want to go here to math.round comma. So if I save this, you will see here a slight difference. Eventually here, as I drag this and then I want to let go here, you can see here it doesn't jump like the rounded one or the round option, but if I let go, it jumps accordingly to what would be the most logical position based on the formula of math, or of the math.round. So if I do here 8.2, that should be 8 to be exact. Go down here, there we are. So as you can see here, this is identical, but maybe a bit more useful as well if you want to just have them put in there and then it will automatically jump. So what we can do here besides of this is we could do here something else to make it a bit more interesting. So what we could do here is we're going to say a 2, and I'm going to grab here the value. Basically this is the value, what is that? The value parameter that we're going to grab, because we're going to create a callback functionality. And then what I want to do here with the function or the arrow function expression, I'm going to say this value, every time whatever the value we have, we want to add up plus 2. So if I save this now, then refresh, you can see here now, if I go down here to 16.26, let go, it jumps up with 2 to 18.26. And you can go up here, 20, and then it goes up to 22, and we can keep on going up here. Then go down here. As you can see, it doesn't round it, but we could even do a rounded option as well. And that's another way to play around with this feature.